Suppose yellow. See, marquee background. Okay. This is marquee background color I changed. Now, this is one marquee. Marquee behavior. How many behaviors are there? 3. What are those? Scroll, slide, alternate. Now, this behavior, which behavior this is? Scroll. Okay. Now, here, BG color, yellow I given. One more I'll write. See, cascading style sheets. CSS. For this one also, I'll apply marquee. Say marquee. It is also no scrolling. Now, these colors, see, it is one more marquee given. One more marquee I'll write. Marquee. JavaScript. See, this is one more marquee. JavaScript. These background colors, foreground colors, everything possible to change. Suppose here background color. Suppose green. You observe, it is green background color. Now, this background color, I'll make it orange. See? Okay. Now, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, 3 different colors. 3 different behaviors also possible, no? Now, these all text color, I'll change. Now, text color individual, if you want to change, we require font tag. Because here color attribute not there in a marquee. Color separate text color purpose not there. Either font tag you have to use, otherwise here text you have to write. Here text you can write. Here text suppose cyan. Then cyan color appears like this. And individual if you want to change the colors, font tag you can use. Individual if you want to change the tags. Okay. By default, all scrolling coming. One is scroll, one is slide, one is alternate, like that also possible. Suppose this is scroll, this is slide. Slide if you want to write, what you have to write attribute? Behavior. Behavior equal to slide. Then it is slide. The cascading style is going to be stopped. It is stopped. Okay. This one, if you want alternate, behavior equal to alternate. Say this JavaScript, it will come back. It is an alternative. So it will come back. So one is scrolling, one is slide, one is alternate. Scroll, slide, alternate. If you want to increase the speed, what is the attribute? Scroll amount. Scroll amount. Scroll amount equal to suppose 5 or 4. Then scrolling, it will become slow. Okay. If you want little bit fast, 10. Say HTML is fast, CSS, JavaScript slow. Okay. Let this one is fast, one is slow. Whatever you want, you can write possible. See here, this is little bit fast if you want. Scroll amount. Scroll amount equal to 20. JavaScript is fast. Okay. CSS, if you want to make it slow, say scroll amount, just 2. Very slow. See, one is fast, one is slow, one is very slow. Like this, you can make it whatever you want. These font colors, if you want to change, individually you can change. Font color like that. Okay. See, Width, height, direction, these all possible to change. Width, height, these all possible. That is separate program I'll give. Write this one example. Online students, for notes purpose, you have to wait 3-4 days. Google Classroom, Google Drive, they didn't prepare. You need to wait 2 more days. So better to write running notes. Better to write running notes. So 3 different mark Q tags I give. 3 I given. That's what it comes next line. Break not required. In this case. Scroll amount, for that is speed value. Behavior, text behavior you can change. BG color, background color. Mark you background. Direction also one attribute is there. Direction, left, right, up, down. 4 values are there. 4 different directions possible. Left to right possible, right to left possible, top to bottom possible, bottom to top possible. Direction if you want to change, horizontally if you want to write, directly you can write. But vertically if you want, compulsory height attribute you have to use. Height attribute. Width, height, you can specify. So this behavior is an attribute to change the text behavior. By default, scroll. That's what I didn't write here. This is scrolling. This is slide. This is alternate. Here speed value 10 I given. Here speed value 2 I given. Here speed value 20 I given. So 2 means very slow. Here 20 means fast. It is little fast. So that speed value you can write 1 to 1000 also you can write, 2000 also you can write. But you cannot identify what is that content also if you write very fast. You have seen yesterday. Okay. Like this, in some websites, advertisements appears. Scrolling, slide, these all. That is only. That is with this one only they'll write. Mark you. But nowadays with CSS, animations possible with CSS. CSS more attractive, more types possible. Is it over? Now, if you want to change the direction, top to bottom or bottom to top, if you want to change, how to change, I'll show you. Say, this mark you only, I'll delete. Now, here, mark you open, mark you close, just hypertext markup language. Here, I'll write the width of the mark you. Width equal to, suppose 600 width. height of the mark you. Suppose 300 width. Height. File save. I'll remove these two. You observe? I'll remove these two. No. File save. You observe? 1 minute. Mark you open. Mark you open. Hypertext markup language. Mark you close. Like this comes. After this, width of the mark you. Width equal to 600 pixels. — 600 is there, that is suppose 400 pixels. Now that is started here. Actually, browser zoom ratio I changed. Suppose 200 pixels. 400 means here started. You observe. Height. Height equal to suppose 300. Now this background color, if you change, you'll get it. BG color. Suppose yellow. Okay. Now height 250. Now here left margin, top margin. You studied, no? In the body tag, left margin. Otherwise, this is complete. You can make it center tag. Center open, center close. Center tag you studied, no? That is for center alignment. Exact center. Exact center. Now this direction you can change. Direction you can change. See, direction equal to right. That means left to right. Right if you write, that is left to right. So it is coming reverse. That is right to left by default. This is left to right. Top to bottom if you want. Top to bottom. Then down. Like this. The direction changed. Like this. Okay. So width, height, BG color, direction. Now body background if you write here. BG color. This is one more color. Like this. Okay. This is one background color. This is a mark your background color. Here text. Something red. See, that is a red color. Text direction changed. Mark you width. Suppose 200. See, like this you can make it. Bottom to top, then up. See, direction changed. Like this you can do it. Okay. This is width, height, direction. 3 attributes I used. This speed if you want to increase, same. Scroll amount. Scroll amount equal to 20. See, here behavior equal to alternate. Now alternate. See, alternate. If you want only 5 times, what you write? Loop. Yesterday you studied. Loop equal to 5. 5 times it will rotate and it will stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, stopped. 5. Like this. Okay. Write this one also. So here other attributes I used. One is width, height, direction, and loop. Some other attributes I used. Redis program. In this program, other attributes I used: width, height, direction, loop. Other attributes. This BG color is body background color. This BG color mark you background color. But attribute name same. BG color, BG color. Like this, so many are there. Image tags are there, audio tags are there, video tags are there, graphics tags are there. So many categories of tags are there. You will see one by one. Now you are learning second category, formatting tags. Okay. After that, list tags, hyperlink tags, audio tags, video tags, image tags. So many are there. Here, HTML to write HTML tags, HTML program. Body tag to write body part of the HTML. Center tag for center alignment. Okay. Marquee tag for moving text. BG color for background color. Text color. Width, marquee width. Marquee height. Marquee background color. Marquee direction. Scroll amount, speed value. Text behavior. Loop, number of times. Okay. These all you have seen in this program. So previous program, I didn't use width, height, direction, loop. In this program, I used width, height, direction, loop. Whatever I given yesterday, attributes, all attributes are covered. You observe. Okay. Total formatting tags, 14 tags completed. No? 14 tags completed. Now, 14 tags over. Basic tags, 4 tags completed. And formatting tags, 14 tags completed. Next, note on formatting tags only 15th one. Formatting tags only 15th one. SUB. It is used to define subscript. Subscripted text. SUP. It is used to define superscripted text. Seventeen. Mark. It is used to define highlighted text. Delete. It is used to define deleted text. Online students, listen the class, write the notes. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Subscripted text, superscripted text, highlighted text, deleted text. 19th one. Progress. Here, you cannot write, you are not going to write any content, but progress. It is used to display progress bar. 19th one. It is used to display progress bar. 20th one. HR. It is used to define horizontal rule. Subscripted text, superscripted text, marked highlighted text, deleted text, progress bar, horizontal rule. 21. Paragraph. P. It is used to define paragraph. It is used to define paragraph. 22. ABBR. Abbreviation text. It is used to define abbreviation text. 23. Address. It is used to display contact information. It is used to display contact information. 24. Pre. It is used to display pre-formatted text. I'll explain, just write it. It is used to display pre-formatted text. say this is for subscript. This is for superscript. This is highlighted text. This is deleted text. This is progress bar. Horizontal rule. It is paragraph, abbreviation, address, pre-formatted text. Now these all I'll show you. Now 24 tags. These all. Is it completed? See, basic tags, only 4 tags are there. HTML, head, body, title. Okay. But formatting tags, many are there. Okay. 24 are given. How to use these all? I'll show you. Is it completed? Now, how to use these all tags? I'll show you. Suppose if I write H2O, now it will display as it is. But actually, H2O, you are to write as a subscript. You are to write like this. H, here, 2, we are to write like this. Then what you can do is this 2 only, you can write SUB open, SUB close. See, SUB open, SUB close. See, that is subscript. Subscript. Okay. Now, suppose 31st January, today's date, January 2024. File save. If I display like this ST as a superscript required. First I'll write line break. That ST I'll write as a superscript. You observe SUP. SUP close. Then superscript. See, here 2 is a subscript, ST is a superscript. Like this we can display. Line break. Suppose mark, highlighted text. Suppose welcome to Naresh IT. File save. This Naresh IT, I want to make it highlight. Here, mark, open, mark, close. Now it is highlighted with yellow color. You observe? It is highlighted. So, while writing notes also, you will highlight it, text you'll do like this one, you know. So, in a website also, anyone, if any text, if you want to make it highlight, just mark you can write. Deleted. Suppose line break. Suppose Java server pages renamed as Jakarta server pages. Then what you can do, this is you can delete. Delete open, delete close. It is just like a strike through. See, Java server pages renamed as Jakarta server page. So this is renamed as a Jakarta. Like that you can understand. So that is, you can make it deleted text. Okay. Progress bar, horizontal, paragraph, abbreviation, these all separate program I'll give. Progress bar also I'll cover. Now, progress bar nothing but while downloading, how much percentage downloaded it shows. Progress. Now, file save. You observe? This is progress bar. Okay. Now, while downloading, it will show like this only. Suppose 10% downloaded, 20% downloaded, you can specify. say maximum value 100. Now value 40% downloaded, then it will show 40. So in a 100% task, in that 40 completed. Now one more progress bar I'll write. One more progress bar. Say here. This is suppose 200 I'll write. This is 40 only I'll write. It is not showing. Reason, it is not closed. This is you have to close compulsory. Now progress. See, it is out of 140%. It is out of 240%. That means 20%. Like this. Okay. Max value. Two attributes are there. Just note down. Attributes of progress tag. Attributes of progress tag. First one, max. It is used to specify maximum value of the task. Value. It is used to specify that how much task has been finished. Max for maximum value, you can specify that. It is maximum value you can specify. Here, how much task is finished. That value. These two attributes you are write in progress tag. Here in that program, I covered superscript, subscript, mark, highlighted text, and deleted text, progress bar. These all I covered. Is it completed? So these attributes you are write in the progress tag. Progress tag. Say SUP, SUB, and mark, deleted, progress. These all I covered in this program. Write this one. Images, audios, videos also possible. Everything possible. Whatever you are observing every day in the internet, those all possible. But everything is not possible with only HTML. CSS required, JavaScript required, Angular required, React.js required, Bootstrap required, like that. Front-end technologies, so many are there. But for all front-end technologies, first HTML compulsory. HTML is mandatory. Without HTML, no other front-end tool is not possible. It is mandatory. Writing program is very simple. See, all tags will be there, attributes will be there. What you are doing, you two members, not listening class. See, these values dynamically, if you want to pass, we require JavaScript. Now it is static, fixed, like just 40% it is showing. Here 20% it is showing. Whenever downloaded content from server to browser, how much downloaded, exact value I want to show. That is dynamic. Dynamic behavior means JavaScript. That is first class introduction only given. What is the purpose of HTML? To create web pages. What is the purpose of CSS? Design web pages. What is the purpose of JavaScript? Validating HTML forms. Next, adding dynamic behavior to web pages. Those points remember. Dynamic behavior, if you want, compulsory JavaScript required. Okay. Here, it is showing 40%. It is showing 20% like that. But that is according to downloading content only you have to display. That is actually. But like that, if you want, you require JavaScript. Okay. See, some tutorials, if you open, HTML, CSS, JavaScript mixed will be there. Tutorials are like that only, some tutorials. Starting only, HTML, CSS mixed content will be there. Like that, if I teach, all people may not understand. That is the reason. Present, I am using only HTML, pure HTML. There is no CSS, there is no JavaScript. After completion of HTML, I'll start CSS. After completion of CSS, I'll teach JavaScript. Later, I'll club all HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all I'll integrate. But starting only CS also parallelly if I cover, confusion comes. See, nowadays some tutorials, HTML, CSS mixed will be there. Okay. Now, reason some tags are outdated. That is the reason tutorials they prepared like that. Example, every day we are writing BG color, no? That is actually outdated. We should not use actually. BG color, text, we should not use. Mark you also outdated. Whatever you studied, mark you. That is also outdated. In the place of mark you, in the place of center, in the place of underline, we have to go for CSS. Those are outdated actually. After completion of HTML, which are the tags outdated, which are the attributes outdated, I'll give a list. Just maximum 10 are there, that's it. The outdated tags, outdated attributes, just a 10 plus I'm using, that's it. Because otherwise, parallelly how to teach CSS. That is confusion comes. That is the reason HTML only I'm teaching. After completion of HTML, list of tags, list of attributes I'll give. Those all don't use in real time. In the place of that one, CSS. After learning CSS, you stop to use this BG color, text, these all. Okay. Parallelly, if I cover, confusion comes. All people, they may not understand subject. Okay. Now, here SUB for what? Subscript. SUP, superscript. Mark, highlighted text, deleted text. This is progress bar. Okay. Now, here, these all over. Horizontal rule, paragraph, abbreviation, address, these all will see. Suppose I want to display HTML, CSS, and JavaScript tutorial. First, I want to write heading HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The big size letters. What will write? H1. H1 close. Here HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If I write, you observe like this heading. Okay. No, like this heading. Now this heading, if you want center, what will do? Center tag you can write. Even one attribute is there in this H1. What is it? Align. So here align equal to center. Then it will come center. Now HTML tutorial, CSS tutorial, JavaScript tutorial. Further headings, level 2 heading, HTML. Next level 2 heading, CSS. Next level 2 heading, JavaScript. Now see, level 1 that is given, these are level 2. Level 2. After this HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I want HTML tutorial. Some content I want to write. For that, we use paragraph. P tag. So P open. See, if you don't write P, how it appears, you observe. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is called as presentation language. It is also called as formatting language. Something content written. How it appears, you observe. Like this appears. If you write paragraph, one more line comes. P open, P close. No, it is okay. After one paragraph, another paragraph, if you write like that, extra space comes. Here already H2 closed. If you don't close, suppose if I don't close, you'll get it. If I'll remove these all, the complete H2 comes. Okay, 1 minute. File save. This is one paragraph. If you don't write paragraph tag, also now same output comes. See, no change. While writing only paragraphs, difference will be there. Only paragraphs, difference will be there. Better to write paragraph. Then what will happen is you can apply for this paragraph on style sheet if you write separate. Suppose CSS. Now here also on paragraph open, paragraph close. CSS stands for cascading style sheets. It is called as style sheet language. And it is used to design web pages. Like this CSS paragraph. Like this JavaScript paragraph. Okay. P open, P close. JavaScript was initially object or object-based language. And now it is an object-oriented programming language. It is used to add dynamic behavior. to web pages. Some paragraph I written. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all this I given. Now, here, like this one rule, if you want to apply, horizontal rule, HR tag. So here, HR tag is, that is you can write in the program. You observe after this heading, HR, then horizontal rule appears. That color, if you want to change, you can. Color, green. Green color comes. Green color. That thickness, if you want to increase, size, thickness will increase. Okay. Width, if you want to write, you can. Width equal to 300. But it is by default center comes. If you want left, align equal to left. Left. So this type of attributes are there. Color is there, size is there, width is there, align is there. These are the attributes of HR tag. Just note attributes of HR tag. First one, color. It is used to specify the horizontal rule color. Second one, size. It is used to specify the thickness. Width. It is used to specify the width in pixels. Align. Left, right, center. It is used to specify the alignment. It is used to specify alignment. Default is center. Align. Left, right, center. It is used to specify the alignment. Default is center. Color, size, width, align. 4 attributes. HR for horizontal rule. These attributes in HR tag you can write. HR tag is empty tag. So no close tag, no body. Like a BR. Like a BR. BR tag, HR tag, these two tags are empty tags. No need to write close. If you write also it works. No need to write. Color, size, width, align. Width and size not same. It is horizontal rule width. This is thickness. That height increased you observe. Size, thickness. Color, size, width, align. Here left, right, center, which is default is center is default. But in a level 1 heading, level 2 heading, like that 6 levels heading is there. There also align attribute is there. There which is default? Left default. Here center default. Okay. These are the tags I used in this program. You observe. See, color, size, width, align. Remaining tags, this paragraph, no, we don't have attributes. If I run this program like this, output displayed. Now this one, if you want, suppose width I'll increase 500. This is center only, suppose. Center if you want, no need to write. That is. Okay. Now, instead of writing this much code, I'll remove this one. Only HTML and CSS. I'll remove JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Like this. Okay. Now, this color, all those things, BG color. Background color, like this. Okay. This is paragraph, HR, these all I used. Write this one. So it is heading, it is paragraph. Heading, paragraphs. You can display. Is it completed? Now, still three more tags are there, no? What are the tags left? Abbreviation, address, pre-formatted text. See, I'll remove this. I'll remove this. You observe, welcome to NIT. I'll write NIT. Then output displayed like this. Output displayed like this. What I'll do here, ABBR, ABBR. Okay, I'll close. I'll write. Now also no effect. Here one attribute is there, title. It is tooltip text. Here, if I write Naresh I Technologies, if I write, now the appearance you observe, it will be different. Some websites, dots appears like this. That meaning you have to place the mouse pointer if you want to see the content, if you want to see the text abbreviation. So some websites, dots, it like this text appears. That meaning just place the mouse pointer there. Then it will show full form. Okay. This is called abbreviation. Now, suppose Naresh IT address I'll write. Now, suppose Naresh I Technologies, Amirpet, Hyderabad, 5 lakh 16, Telangana. I'll write like this. Will it display like this? No. Complete in a one line displayed. Okay. Then what you can do? Line break. Line break. Line break. Line break. This one you write in address tag. Address tag open. Address tag close. One default font style will be there. That style it will display. Italic. Like this, one font is there, separate font with italic text will be there. That designing automatically comes if you use address tag. Maximum companies in a web page, left side or right side at bottom, address will be like this only will be there. Reason, the address tag. This address tag only they'll use. So like this, abbreviation, address tags we can use. Write this program. Online students, end of the session and clarify your doubts. ABBR, abbreviation, address. So ABBR, if you write, here dots are displayed by default, dots. With that, you can understand there is abbreviation with the tooltip text. When you place the mouse pointer, it will display. Okay. HTML is very easy, but don't neglect while teaching JavaScript, HTML knowledge required. If you forget JavaScript, you cannot understand. For JavaScript, HTML is mandatory. For CSS also, HTML is mandatory. Without HTML, there is no front-end technology. Front-end technology is not possible without HTML. See, if you use abbreviation tag, then this text appears with dots. When you place the mouse pointer on that abbreviation tag, this full form displayed. Address tag, if you write default font, default content, default style, it is coming. So if you don't write like this, only displayed, like a welcome only displayed. Address tag, one default font type is there, that type displayed. Generally, address tag, if you write later, this part you can make it one style with style sheets, CSS. You can separate designing possible. Only address part one type you can design if you write. That is the reason better to address while writing company addresses. We should write address tag only. Okay. Now, formatting tags, last tag, pre-tag, pre-formatted text. Is it over? See, what is a pre-formatted text? Suppose I'll write one C program. Hash include stdio.h. Okay, because I am a Java student, .NET student, Python student, all are there. For all common C language. Otherwise, Java I can write .NET something. Better C language. Here hash include stdio.h. Here void main. Printf welcome to C. If I write, will it display like this? Will it display as it is? No, it will not display as it is. It will display one line. Okay. Here, if you want as it is this format, pre-open, pre-close. So format is prepared in this program in a notepad. This format only I want output. That is called pre-formatted text. Now, format I want like this only. After this, break. Instead of writing year break, 4 times, you have to write break. And also here spaces, entities required. See, with the pre-tag as it is comes. But something is missed in the program. What is missed? stdio.h missed. Think yourself why it is missed. Browser understanding, it is also tagged. Okay. This is reserved character. It is reserved character. Reserved characters how to display in HTML. For that, entities one concept is there. That is required. That is, we'll see tomorrow. This program don't write. Tomorrow I'll show you. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Google Classroom or Google Drive, they didn't create. You need to wait 1-2 days. After 2 days, I'll share the link. Then you can use notes. You can see the notes. Online student, wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts.